Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Meor Azmin, and today I will share about greenhouse gas emission resulting from conversion of peat swamp forest to oil palm plantation for my AGR615 presentation task. Let's begin. First, we have to know what is peat swamp forest. Peat swamp forests are tropical wet forests where waterlogged soil prevents that leaf and wood from fully breaking down, leading to the formation of a thick layer of acidic peat. However, these forests are at risk due to large-scale agriculture like oil palm production, which involve draining the peatland. When peatlands are drained, it increases oxygen in the soil, leading to high carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane emission. The conversion of peat swamp forest to agriculture produce greenhouse gas emission, which lead to more issues. There are several issues stated that about the consequences of conversion of peat swamp forest to oil palm plantation. First issue is regarding the atmosphere. Emission of primary greenhouse gases, which are carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. The article stated the global warming potential (GWP), which is the article calculates the GWP over a 30-year period, revealing that the conversion of peat swamp forest to oil palm plantation nearly double the GWP. The implication at both regional and global scales underscore the importance of addressing this issue in climate change discussion. They emphasize that the conversion of peat swamp forest to oil palm plantation will result in globally significant amount of greenhouse gases released over the coming decades. Now we look at the solutions suggested from a number of article research, which is one of it is few studies investigate mitigation options to reduce greenhouse gas emission in oil palm cultivation. Some suggest reducing a peat drainage depth when oil palm is cultivated on peat soil and to cultivate already degraded peatland. This measure aims to minimize the exposure of peat to oxygen, thus reducing the decomposition of organic material and subsequent emission of CO2 and N2O. Furthermore is life cycle assessment (LCA) for continuous improvement, which in this paper they conduct a life cycle assessment (LCA) to quantify the benefits achieved by industry-driven measures, specifically focusing on mitigating greenhouse gas emission from peat and reducing nature occupation. One common way is when the palm oil industry take action and get certification. The palm oil industry has answered the call for making palm oil in a sustainable way. In conclusion, conversion of peat swamp forest into oil palm plantation has many consequences. Overall, the study aims to understand the greenhouse gas emission associated with the conversion of peat swamp forest to oil palm plantation. The study uses several methods to calculate the emission factors and assess the impact to the world. One of the impacts is global warming potential, which is emission of nitrous oxide and methane that could lead to other problems. Finally, some solutions need to be done, such as palm oil industry to take action and doing life cycle assessment to tackle the problem. For the references part, this image is comparing 4 different land conversion stages, which are forest, drain, young oil palm, and mature oil palm stages. The image for A is level for carbon dioxide, level of methane for image B and C, and lastly, nitrous oxide level for image C and D. These are the references that I use for this presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.